Greetings to everyone. Welcome back to Applied Forensic Research Sciences. I am Prachi Balian, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today I am going to present in front of you MCQ times part 54. The first question is, greenish colored urine is seen in which of the following poisoning? A. Nitric acid, B. Carbolic acid, C. Sulfuric acid, or D. Hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is B. Carbolic acid. Next question is, rectified spirit cannot be used for preserving the viscera in case of A. Aconite poisoning, B. Organophosphorus poisoning, C. Heavy metal poisoning, or D. Opiate poisoning. The correct answer is B. Organophosphorus poisoning. Next question is, the effect of barbiturates onset after A. 12 hours, B. 8 hours, C. 2 hours, or D. 6 hours. The correct answer is C. 2 hours. The next question is, the brick red color of post-mortem lividity is seen in poisoning due to A. Carbon monoxide, B. Hydrogen sulphide, C. Phosphorus, or D. Cyanide. The correct option is D. Cyanide. The next question is, which of the following is a waxy, luminous and translucent poisoning? A. Yellow phosphorus, B. COBRA venom, C. Organophosphates, or D. Iodine. The correct answer is A. Yellow phosphorus. The next question is, PARAQUAT poisoning causes A. Renal failure, B. Cardiac failure, C. Respiratory failure, or D. Multiple organ failure. The correct option is D. Multiple organ failure. Seventh question is, OPHOTOXAMIA refers to A. Organophosphorus poisoning, B. Heavy metal poisoning, C. Scorpion venom poisoning, or D. Snake poisoning. The correct option is D. Snake poisoning. The next question is, MAGNAN symptoms are characteristics of poisoning from A. Alcohol, B. CHARAS, C. Cocaine, or D. ECSTASY. The correct option is C. Cocaine. The next question is, a toxic substance produced by biological system is A. Toxicant, B. Toxin, C. Xenobiotic, or D. Poison. The correct option is B. Toxin. 10th question is, which of the following toxins comes from the castor oil plant? A. L-tropine, B. Ricin, C. Diacetyl-N, or D. Strychnine. The correct option is B. Ricin. The next question is, which can cause blindness? A. Ethyl alcohol, B. Methyl alcohol, C. Glycol, or D. Propanol. The correct answer is B. Methyl alcohol. The next question is, poison with garlic smell is A. Carbolic acid, B. Phosphorus, C. Citric acid, or D. Mercury chloride. The correct option is B. Phosphorus. The next question is, color of blood is cherry red due to A. Hydrogen sulphide, B. Methane, C. Carbon monoxide, or D. Carbon tetrachloride. The correct option is C. Carbon monoxide. The next question is, which is called spinal poison? A. Strychnine, B. Yellow oleander, C. Cocaine, or D. Hydrogen cyanide. The correct option is A. Strychnine. The next question is, botulism is a form of A. Volatile poison, B. Food poisoning, C. Pesticide, or D. Metallic poisoning. The correct option is B. Food poisoning. That was all about today's MCQs time part. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.